Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your headphones JLab JBuds Lux. And the first one, that you can connect your headphones with a cable. So you need just USB-C to USB-C cable. If your phone do not support USB-C, you can try Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. And you just connect it to your phone and you can listen to music without any pairing. Now, also, you don't need to use your phone when you listen to music or watching a video. We have right here controls for it. So we have volume control, we can increase or lower the volume. Also, we have multifunctional button to play or pause the song. Also, with this volume control, we can play next or previous track, and we can a button for ANC. And let's open the application. You can also customize it. So if you don't like something how it works, you can just change it here. And I said about ANC, these headphones have ANC, so I like it, and actually it's a good one. And you can control it. You can lower this level or increase this level. Also, it have transparency mode, so it calls Be Aware, and again you can just control it. You can improve your listening experience by changing equalizer presets, and there's 3 presets: balance and bass boost. And also you can enable bass boost here in the application. I like this mod, but you can use it also a gesture to swap between these equalizer presets. Or you can create your own custom preset and just make the best one for you. Also, you can manage these decibels for your hearing, so you can lower it and make a limit here, or just leave it at default if you don't think about it. And the last one, these headphones have a really good microphone. I tested and I hear myself clearly when I spoke softly or normally without any background sound, but it actually mute street sounds, so you can easily use it at the street. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!